Hello, everyone. For the week 1 activity discussion posts, what you'll do is watch a video. To watch the video, you will click on this link and you'll go to this Zoom page, click continue, and push play. And as you can see, the video will start to play. You can click this if you want to go to full screen and click escape if you want to go back to the regular screen. And over here, you get a bit of a transcript. You can kind of get ahead by moving this little slider. And then you can, that's another way to kind of quickly watch the video. And you can also move it to different places if you want to see something again. But this whole video is really about online discussion posts and how to post discussions. The next part of the assignment, once you watch the video, you'll complete this worksheet. So if you click on the link, the worksheet will appear and you can select download. And once it downloads, you can open it up. Now there's a couple of things you can do. You can either type your responses right in the prompt. How can this response be improved? This response can be improved such a way. And then you can save this or print it as a PDF. See, my words are in there. You can save it anywhere you save your files. And then you will, once you've completed it, you'll go to Canvas, close this window. And this worksheet is just an extra worksheet. You go to Canvas and you select Start Assignment, and then you can upload the assignment. And then you select Submit, and that's how you'll get your points. So the important thing about this class, and I'm not sure if the other classes are like this, but this class, your work it needs to be submitted in Canvas. It can't be emailed or put anywhere else. And that's why every time you have an assignment, you'll have to submit something to get the points. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And then you can check your grades in here. And this is how the grade book is filled out, because your assignments will be in there as well. So hopefully this makes sense and this helps clarify. But if you have any more questions, please feel free to send me a message via inbox, or you're welcome to use Pronto. Thank you.